gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on the S0ME. You don't know the thing. You don't know what's a NEWLINK there. And from NEWLINK production. Giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. So, people, right about now, Zine, I just want to say certain things right now. Based on things I'm going to say I go on. Zine. And based on some comment, one of my fans screenshot me, where some people take my name, go run with, you understand, say me this and say me that, pertaining to other vloggers out there, like say, you know what I mean? But I just want to make myself clear on anything, cause you see me in NEWLINK, I try my best to stay in my own lane, because I will fight me get people. I will fight. Them curse me. Them say be things about me. Them say me this, me that. Them say me can't do this, me can't do that, me do that. And I just keep in my own lane. Stay in my own lane. To be honest, people, me stay in my own lane. Me not make people, you know what I mean? Them fight me, them fight me, them fight me, them fight me so till, but me be strong. Me go through and me try to study every policies what them got. You know what I mean? On YouTube, which I not really talk a certain but every policies. And I just one thing more to say. I'm going to say this over and over already. I say any vloggers out there who go fight against the other vlogger channel, you're really stupid. You're really fool. You understand? You really not no sense. Because at the end of the day, you believe, say, if a vlogger out there send a report to YouTube, just saying, if you feel like you want to send a report to our next channel on YouTube, and you feel say that's going to be safe and good for you, sorry, I'll tell you it's wrong. Because if you learn the policies then for YouTube, YouTube will lick you down for that too. You understand? YouTube will lick down your channel for that. So you need to go through and read up all of the, because YouTube will watch, and them are going to think, they know that. They know it, that listen, they're going to be competitors out there and they will do anything to break down others YouTuber. See? So see any YouTubers out there who feel like whether there's a young channel and you try build and get bigger, whether there's a big channel, if you have a big channel and you notice certain things that get mashed up on your channel now go that way they like I used to before. You know why? Because of the same things that maybe we do in the past until now. Listen, my man, the road is there for everybody. You understand? It's there for everybody. It's not like it's a job work you get there. You know, so if you do this amount of work, it's better for you. It's all about you being yourself and being the best creator you can. Stay in your own lane and focus on your craft. But if you go out there and try to bad mind against the next man and fight against the next man because you see him do this and maybe because he might get more views and because he come and rise up, it don't make no sense. It doesn't make no sense. You know what I mean? It really don't make no sense. You see me, I tell you these people, and all of my fans, them know this. Me get how much fight, how much report, how much lit down, how much that. And at the end of the day, I'll be honest, at some point, I blame say, it's other YouTubers do it. And then some point, to be honest, mostly sometimes it's the same people in your comment section. The one them we always come here some negative and give them dislike there. Something you do a video and go find 5 dislikes, then 5 people there. Check out most of the videos that may keep on say 5 dislike, the 7 in that region there. You understand? They are the one, they just don't like you. Because to some people, you know, you have people out there who are so them fans or who is a subscriber or a watcher, and they just watch off a bad mind you. As YouTube, because them feel say you do this thing, you're making millions of dollars, you're making this big money and what, you know what I mean? So why fight against the next man? Me I wonder why. You know, work, you know, make no sense. The road did for every man. Zine, for me people, I'm being honest here, me as a youth, I respect every vloggers out there because I learn. When me as a young YouTuber, I'm be honest, I watch other vloggers and learn. When me I come, because what things I know and I watch much. Me honestly, me as a youth, I like go ask. I like do it myself, so I watch and I learn. Of course, Just like an entertainer, just like enough of the young entertainer, they watch Vibes Cartel and they learn. So as a vlogger, what I do, I watch and I learn. I mean, I have no time for bad mind. I'm a respect and appreciate every vloggers. Everyone. Even though 99% of them we even rate not like NEWLINK because what? Because NEWLINK does different. And you know, NEWLINK a big friend. Number one, me a big friend. No, you could have known me in person, me a big friend. From nobody at all. You understand? Me not big friend. But all of my officer is people. Zine, I respect every vloggers out there who are putting them work, do them sacrifice. Because you see me people, right now it's after 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm sitting around my 2 laptops doing my videos right now. No sleep from there. Been responding to comment and all of that. You know what I mean? That's how I try to respond to my fans. Them comment, me try to keep up. I just try my best. Vloggers out there who not for do that. It's not, listen, I'm going to tell what are some people, YouTubers learn this. If you do love your fans and your subscribers, you have to reply to some comments. I'm not going to say all because you can't reply too much comments, but you have to keep with some comments. Some vloggers are just posting and leaving their videos like that. Just raw. So like it, YouTube watch them something that you know. YouTube want you interact. That's what I'm telling you. You want the YouTube, you go through them something or read them something. They have it there. The infos are there. Go through them long page. They maybe take you one couple hours, but do it and read it and you will learn. I mean, I tell you, learn about the monetizing rule, learn about the copyright rule, learn about everything where they have, because I'm telling you, there's so much there to learn. So people who out there who now are going to fight against the next YouTuber channel, listen me man. You know a report channel? But YouTube are watching you, and YouTube are going to deal with it. Because you don't know no rights for your report, no man channel, no man video, nothing like that. The road did it for every man. I mean, I got to tell you, say, you have some vloggers out there who fight, but me not go pinpoint for nobody, you know. But me know some people, I swear by my life to God, I never report a man video yet. I never, even in my thoughts, me literally know people who do that to me. Same people who me help join up with other vloggers and report me and let me down. Me know that personally and them try again and them can't do it because what? NEWLINK can learn. NEWLINK study me and study everything in the people and the craft, you know. You know what I mean? So listen me and say man, I'm gonna stop bad mind vloggers out there. I'm gonna stop. Vloggers and vloggers to live good. I'm gonna say it over and over. You see how these comedic vloggers, them a live good. The pranksters, them a Jamaica live good. Aya, Money, the whole of them, Geo, and the whole of them, Trouble Link. You get me? I say, you see how the vloggers, them live good as one. Nitro and the whole of them. You see those local youth there? I'm proud of them people. For them inner city youth, them, I'm proud of them. To see what them a do and them a build themselves. You see? All of them. I respect all of the news vloggers them, just like me. You understand? I respect every one of them. Soul Flow, teach them. They get me, I say, rapper, see me? Politics watch. Because, you know what I mean? We all are one. See what I say? True Jamaican boss. You know what I mean? Very great YouTubers them. I'm being honest, they are very great YouTubers. Everybody have their own craft. And what fans need to understand and learn this, see? Because I see where people sending me comments and things where other people say, yo, me upload video after man go the story already. Oh, no, so stupid and fool. Oh, no, so listen, it's vlogging. We are news vloggers. And that's why NEWLINK do him thing different. If I notice, I edit my videos way different. I have my own style to editing my videos. Zine, my own craft. And the thing is, everybody, fans, look here. Nothing is wrong with you run with a story. There's the title. Can title your videos different? And how you portray your video is very different. You understand? Words that you say in your videos can be different. Everybody have their own different style, but if you copy the next man's style and try to be just like how him do it, oh, it all look. It looks similar, don't? So nothing wrong. Because every vlog out there, you will run with that story first, and the next man I go run with it after. You know what I mean? It's So listen me. People out there, they're just stupid and they don't understand this thing. But you see, for me, who read and go through, and me have several more for read to come, and I go through the fullest of everything yet. But all I can tell you is, people, it's there for everybody. It's there for everybody. I'm telling you, I'm willing to help other young channel. If they pay, I will willing to help them to promote their channel. I'm willing, to be honest, because I can't do those stuff free. I do videos where I give advice on how to do this, how to do that. But I can give you advice and say, listen, if there's anything you want to learn, type it on YouTube and you will see other creators out there who do it. But if for promotion and anything on a channel, I'm willing to do at a cost. Because when I was building, I have to pay my way also. I have to give it several phone calls. It takes hard work, it takes dedication. See there, after 2 in the morning now, you will get up another video. So now if you understand. You understand? I'm willing to help, but come on, it takes time, it takes work, it takes effort, you got to pay bills, you got to do that, you know. So at the end, let's live as one, man. We are one Jamaican, man, and we see it. Money, all of this, the care, the hype, it cannot, you know what I mean? We live as one. You understand? Don't bother fight against nobody, man. Don't bother, let's live as one, man. Come on, man. Live as one. So viewers and subscribers, just big up on yourself, man, and enough love and enough respect, and just hope say the vloggers them out there can just live as one. Just like me say, live as one. If you don't want to link up with me, you know which Dana do? All the vloggers should have come together as news bloggers sometime, and we come so boom, we have a group thing where we can go and all of we are there on a thing. Like you know what I mean, people, all of we can see all of we like an attack. See them, you know what I mean, them live stream, they call in for other channel and a link up, but the man them just I'm willing, but what? I can't force nobody and say boom. Come on, man. Not because maybe a man have 10,000K and you sub and you got maybe 50 or 100. Makes it no different. You get me? Because man with 2,000 can hit down a subscriber can hit down millions of views while you're there with a lot and still ain't getting no views. So it make no difference. Let's live as one. We all are one. What a big channel, small channel, we all are one. What is there for everybody, man? Peace out, respect, attack.